So hey guys, today we're gonna play again Escape the Tsunami for Brain Rot. Like how you saw in the last video that we played and we made like 42 million and we left the game. And this is the part 2 of that Escape the Tsunami from Brain Rot, and I have a lot of money. I'll upgrade now the speed. Okay, so my speed is now 102 finally, and we'll do one rebirth. I think so. I need. Okay, we can do a rebirth now, and our speed is fully 0. So I'll collect more money and increase the speed. Okay, I have this much of speed now. I gonna increase it now. Okay, increasing it now. Okay, like this I'll increase it. So my speed is now 89 now, and we'll try to go till the end. We'll try to go to the end. Let's see we can do it or not. Okay. Let's see one fast wave. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll easily go to comics area because we have a lot of speed and plus money. Money also we don't have. Guys, comment in the video. My next video should be in English or Hindi, because some of you like English and some of you like Hindi. And which game should I play? You comment that. Guys, what's that? Okay. I think I'm fully safe. Okay, I'm coming now. Okay, I see a dragon cannelloni over there. I have to get that anyhow. Let's go. Try my best to get it. Okay, I have to go in full speed. Let's go. Whatever it is. You have to go. Fast. No way. We missed it. Again, we have to go. This lightning wave only killed us. We'll take the revenge. Wait, guys, I'll take the revenge. The lightning wave is so fast. It killed us. Super slow. I have to get the dragon. Plus, my HP is so low. Now, okay. In this video, our target will be to do a lot of speed, more than like 200 or something. Plus to get like more money. Last time we were not able to get like 1 trillion. We challenged for 1 trillion, a lot of money. But this video will completely do 1 trillion, I bet you. But if I can't do, I'll do it in the part 3. Okay, see guys. Guys, see my HP now. I think so you can't see. Wait, I'll set this HP now. I'll show you like this. See guys, my HP. I keep it over here. Guys. Okay, I kept it over here. This is perfect. Yeah, now I'll play. Okay, so my HP is this much now. I have to get Madundu. No way. I'm not getting. Should I get Madundu? I'm in comics area now. Okay, that is also comics area. This is also comics area. Okay, can I beat? Okay, one slow wave is coming. Tralalitos tralala. Okay, I took this. Run. How did a slow wave kill me? Yeah, I'm just dying, bro. I'm just dying. I need more speed. Wait. I'll collect the money first. Guys, I'm collecting the money. Okay. We have only this much? Only 100 million? Okay, now we'll upgrade. I see your subscribers over here. They both are my subscriber. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. My speed is 96 now, guys. Try to get more brain rots from comics area. And then when I will be pro and my speed will be like anything, I'll go to the end. Don't worry about this. And should I make the part 3 of this? Should I make? I think so, I'll make. Okay. So many things. I can't even go to the mythical area. So I died. So my idea is to get now some brain dots. Okay. And we are going straight forward front. Let's go, guys. Straight forward front. Straight forward. Let's go. We are taking this. No! No way! Brr. Again. I need to buy something. Wait, wait. Can I buy some things? Can I buy some things like... Okay. Okay. Now we should go. This is the correct time. Not the last, not the least. We came here. Let's go. Boom, baby. Okay, we would go more front, but we didn't. Okay, we should not jump. Super slow is irritating, guys. Do you think? Tell in the comment. These waves are like very slow. Okay, we are in the mythical area. Can we make? Can we make? Let's go, guys. So easy. Easy. But easy. Okay, guys. So I'm in the comics area now. In front of this is also comics area. I'm between the comics area. Let's go, guys. Now you can see my HP also. I think so. Yeah. So many waves are coming. Lightning. So we died now. Now again we'll try to go. I'll take this lucky block and I'll go. Okay. No way. Lightning. No way. No way. Let's go. We made it. Easy. Woo. Let's see what we'll get. We'll go to our base. Ballerina Lololo. Now we'll place it. Now we'll get a lot of money. Okay, we have 180 money. 180 million. My bad. And speed is 99 now. We can go front faster too. Okay. Oh. Oh, Edwin. Guys, you know what? I'll see you after a short break. And let me see. So, like, some 9 minutes happened. I'm playing this game. I'll see you after collecting a lot of money. Till then, wait for it. You think I'll wait? Okay, one guy is giving me this thing. Okay. Kian, the shouter goes to Kian. Let's go. Shall I also give him one thing over here? Let's go. I'll give him the no. What the heck? This guy think he's better than me. He think he's better than me, Kian. What the heck? Kian, what the heck? You have a Nubini cake in Ini. What the heck? You just want to come in my video. That's all. What the heck? Okay guys, I was telling I meet after a short break. Till then, wait. So guys, I'm back now. And you saw what? I came here and I have over 300 million, means $300 million. So we'll go to the comics area now. Okay, we have a lot of money now. We can take this also, but we'll go more front. And one more shout out goes to Kushal, legendary OG Kushal. He is the player of the month. How did he die? I know that was a trap. So the biggest shout out go to legendary OG Kushal. He is the player of the month. He won the prize. He helped me in, he gave me brain rot, and now I'll show you what a brain rot he gave me. Okay. Wait, I'll show you, but it will take a lot of time. He gave me a pot hotspot, plus he helped me and he taught me to play Escape the Tsunami for Brain Rot. So the biggest shout out goes to him. The shout out goes to legendary OG Kushal. Please make him your friend. He is such a nice person. And the shout out goes to Kian0091. See this guy illa. Where is he? Kian00991. Kian, where are you? Where is Kian? Okay, this girl is over here. No. Let's skip it. Let's go. And let's go, guys. We got her brain rot. Doom. Okay, we have over 500 million now. Okay, so here is Kian0091. The biggest shout out goes to him also, and legendary OG Kushal also. They are the player of the month. They will win some prizes, and I will give them some brain rots and help them. Of course, I'll help them too. The biggest shout out goes to them. I help them, and they also subscribe my video. The biggest shout out goes to them both. They helped me. They did everything. That's why the biggest shout out goes to legendary OG Kushal and Kian0091 and TTDS. Is anyone here called TTDS? Okay, the shout out goes to him also, TTDS. He also helped me for many things. The shout out goes to 3 people: TTDS, legendary OG Kushal, and what we say, Kian0091. So we made, if we make over 500. Okay, one lightning wave is coming. Okay, now we should go and grab a hotspot here. No, I'm gonna die. Okay guys, if we had over $500 million, so the video end over here. I told you the shout outs. Okay, still Kian is coming to give me some brain rot. I'll accept it. Okay, he gave me a trick barboon. Okay, so the video end over here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and the video was very nice. Bro, this Kian is always hitting me. Okay, so the video end over here. I hope you enjoyed. But in the middle of the video, my face was half not visible and visible. So that's okay. You can still play. Okay. What's this, bro? This guy keep on hitting me. Okay, wait, guys. This guy is hitting me wantonly. I'll go to him. What the? Kian, I gave you shout out, means don't be like that, Kian, What, Kian? Okay guys, that's that's all for the video. Bye bye.